So, on my video about Australia, I got comments about celestial navigation because why would one address the arguments I made anyway, right? This flat earther sees Polaris and celestial navigation as proof that Earth is flat, while having a misunderstanding of how geometry actually works, as evidenced by his claim that you can't measure elevation angles with a curved surface. So let's go over some of the claims he makes. You need a flat Earth for your concept of an equator. No, you do not. The equator is the center line on a globe exactly in the middle between the most north and the most south point. Earth is measured flat. Evidence is celestial navigation. No, Earth is not measured flat. You can use known positions on a globe, like your position and the horizon, to triangulate with celestial bodies. You can't measure elevation angles with a curved surface. Yeah, you can. You can do this by placing a tangent line on a globe through your own position and the horizon position. Your own position is the crossing point of the y-axis and the x-axis, with the y-axis being a line coming out from the center of Earth and the x-axis being the tangent line going through your position and the horizon, giving you a 90-degree angle from which you can measure elevation angles with a curved surface. The equator is the minimal flat Earth angle of Polaris. This is wrong. The angles in which we observe Polaris can only happen when Earth is a globe. On a flat Earth, this would be impossible. This is what it looks like on a globe. If Earth were flat and we would observe Polaris in the same spot, then the angles would not match. Let's say it's 12,430 miles above the North Pole. Then, at the equator, Polaris would still be over 63 degrees above the horizon. And the further north you'd go, the greater the angle would become. Besides that, you'd still be able to see it from the South Pole at a 45-degree angle above the horizon. If Earth were flat and we would see Polaris at the angles that we do observe it now, then Polaris would have to be moving, as it is straight above the North Pole and at 0 degrees on the horizon at the equator. So, to conclude, we can triangulate with celestial bodies when Earth is a globe, and we can only observe Polaris in the way that we do observe it when Earth is a globe.